Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the basic concept of cost that has been used in the field of cost and management accounting, that is fixed cost and variable cost. Before going to the concept, it is important for us to understood what is the definition of cost. But one thing we have to remember, when we learn the concept of cost in the field of cost accounting, we always have to think from the point of view of a manufacturer or as a manufacturing process. So manufacturer will define the definition of cost in his own simple language. That is, it is nothing but the amount that has been spent to produce a particular product. Very simple definition of cost. Now let us see what are the major categories of cost. There are mainly two major categories of cost. One is variable cost and another is fixed cost. Now let us understood what is variable cost. Now before understanding the concept of variable cost, let us consider one example. Here X is the unit and Y is the total cost of that unit. When we produce 100 units, 400 is the total cost. When we produce 200 unit, 800 is the total cost. And when we produce 300 unit, 1200 is the total cost. And when we produce only 50 unit, rupees 200 is the total cost. Now if we analyze the pattern of production, that is when the production increases from 100 units to 200 units, the percentage increase in production is exactly 100%. If the same we analyze in terms of total cost, when the cost increases from 400 to 800, the percentage increase in total cost is again exactly 100%. When we jump to the next level of production, that is from 200 to 300 unit, the production increases in terms of percentage is 50%. Similarly, the same thing happen when the total cost increases from 800 to 1200 units. The percentage increase is 50%. Now what happens if the production comes down? When the production comes down to 300 to only 50 units, the percentage in decline in production comes to 83.33%. Let us see what exactly is the percentage when the cost comes down from 200 to rupees 200 only. It is 83.33%. So one thing we can understood here, variable cost is a kind of cost which changes in direct proportion due to change in the level of production. If production increases, cost automatically increases. If production comes down, exactly same proportional way the cost also comes down. One of the basic feature of variable cost is that variable cost per unit always remain fixed. Now let us move to the next concept, that is fixed cost. Now let's consider one more example. Here X is the unit. We can see the units here is 100, 2000, 3500 and 0 unit, which means no production. But the total cost which is represented in terms of Y has remained same. So fixed cost is a type of cost which remain fixed in totality. It has nothing to do with the level of production. I hope you have understood the concept.